Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Devin Harris and I am a portrait, headshot, and event photographer out of Brooklyn, New York. Now, some of you may know me as this channel's namesake, D-Styles. I am a competitive video gamer and team photographer for Team Dynamic Focus, a New York City-based esports organization. But in my spare time, outside of my 9 to 5, I am a portrait, headshot, and event photographer. And I've been doing that juggling act for about 3 years. It's been quite a wild ride and I have learned a lot. So part of that learning process, once you have the information, is solidifying that knowledge through teaching others. That's where this YouTube channel comes in. Because for as long as I deem fit, I will be making tutorial videos, reviews, and all that good stuff. But mainly, this video is just to introduce my tutorial series to take someone from, they just got a camera for Christmas or birthday or whatever, or they've been shooting for a little bit and don't really know where to go to learn more, or they're overloaded with all the options on YouTube, to becoming a competent shooter, or shooting with style, as I'd like to call it. So this tutorial series will cover the basics of what is ISO, how do you work with continuous light, how do you work with a flash. It'll cover all of the basics and all the lighting stuff, all the way up to stuff like proper etiquette when you're taking pictures at an anime convention, when you're working with cosplayers or models, and even booking and setting up a photo studio for use. So I got tons of great stuff planned for this channel. We're doing in-studio work, on-location work, working with different cosplayers and models that I know and I've been friends with for a while. So stay tuned for that and keep a lookout for the first tutorial dropping very soon.